Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is X1 Tech and today we are checking out super exciting the brand new Insta360 GO Ultra creator bundle. Starting with the pivot stand, it's basically your quick launch mount for tabletop shots or creative low angles. So we'll remove the protocol binder. Nice. You can actually feel the build quality immediately. It's very light and it's very smooth, along with a premium feel that you get when you take into your hand once you unbox it. And let's attach it and see how stable it is in further of this video. And also the packing looks clean and minimal, just like every other Insta360 product that we always see in the market. This is the pivot stand itself. And you can see the Insta360 mark on it, and this is the hinge for it, which is also having a 360-degree rotatory methodology or technique inside it, so that it rotates all the possible angles from its end. And this is the locking method or mechanism of this stand. Next we'll go to the quick release mount. So this is all about the quick release mount that we get inside this creator bundle. There are different types of equipments that come along with this. I mean the holders for this Insta360. So this is one, and the second one is in this method. So all of these are primarily useful for Insta360, but in the simultaneous way you can use for another 360s also, and also something like camera mounts, or even with the other GoPros you might have, because this comes with the typical generic stands and the generic screws that comes with this all of the ongoing cameras that we are having in the market. And this is the hinge and the locking methodology for this Insta360, which comes with the 45-degree angle. And you can see that it's more or less similar to GoPros. And this is the like kind of spacers that we have in this mount. And now coming to this mini 2-in-1 tripod 2.0. This is the 2.0 tripod, so which will be a new tripod for this Insta360 GO dedicatedly. And if you pull out the box outside, this is the user manual that generally comes with all the other products. There are some couple of packages available before to the mini pod. Opening one of them, you will be able to see a kind of a screw and the stand, a fitter or the spacer between the camera and the mini pod. And this is the screw for that mount that we get. And this is the spacer that they give along with this Insta360 in the package itself, which is good. And this is the mini pod itself, which comes in a really nice packing. In the top you can see that it's Insta360 is clearly written out. And there is one more package here hidden in this box itself. So if you remove it, you can see. This is the magnetic attacher for that. So you can clearly see that the tripod comes very easily and very smoothly. So this is the maximum height that it can reach, so that we can attach the camera at the top using the given mounts in the box itself. There is another good safety mechanism that's given, that is like we can just see the below thread that's attached to hold it to your hand, and also now just have open, you can see there is a mini tripod also built in attached, so which is really a good feature for the complete Insta360 like handhelders. And this also comes with a kind of what we call 360-degree rotational feature, so it can rotate in whatever angle we require, so which is the one of the good feature that we can see. And now coming to the star of the show, the Insta360 GO itself, removing the seal, and there it is. This thing is like unbelievable, very tiny, and the matte finish feels nice. The lens looks sharp, and the LED up front is clean, so which overall gives an extremely good look. Another main tray, like we have got some paperwork, the charging case, and the replacement lens protectors, along with the Insta360 Think Bowl stickers. Overall, there is a good unboxing feel that we get along with this. And so that wraps up the unboxing and the first look of the Insta360 GO Creator Bundle. So for creators who travel light or vlog on the go, this might just be the like extremely fun and versatile kit you can carry wherever you go. It's extremely compact design, magnetic magic, like something like great image quality and tons of smart accessories that you get along with this complete bundle. So it's truly a mini creative powerhouse. Like we have everything built in this complete bundle. If you have enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to our channel X1 Tech, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll be testing in the real world creator setups soon. Thank you for watching the video.